Good morning YouTube, what is happening? Welcome to Johnny's Garden Maintenance. Hope you're all doing well folks, hope you all had a great weekend. It's Monday morning here in beautiful Derry City. Bit overcast but still warm and it's dry. So what have we got these today? Follow me. So guys, here we have Neil tackling this beech hedge. It hasn't been cut now, but it looks like in about 2 or 3 years. So it's just got a bit straggly. Needs a good wee trim. So we're going to trim it squared at the tops and trim around at the sides. Then we have this willow tree. This has just got too long. We're going to cut this willow tree to about here. This house is up for sale. The customer's selling the house, so we're just tidying the place up. We're going to hit this bay tree, this evergreen bay tree. We're going to put that into some kind of shape. This ilex holly bush, the customer has requested that we take it out completely. It's just getting in the way of the front door and she doesn't like it, so we're taking that away. Then we're going to cut this hedgetrimming, this forest flame, give it a wee trim. So, and I'll just take these around the back here and show this massive rhododendron. We're going to tidy this up. And then whatever else is in these beds, just going to tidy these beds up a little. We're back at it guys, Monday morning. Neil's giving it lovely on this hedge, so sit back, relax, hope you enjoy. Guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe if you're enjoying the content. Guys, I'm going to tackle this bay tree here, this evergreen bay tree. If left unkempt, these can reach up to 7.5 meters in height. They look beautiful in any entranceway. They're really ornamental and they love to be shaped onto balls, pyramids and squares. So this one, for instance, I'm just going to swing the camera around and let you see. So as you can see here, let's just take a wee look at them first. So this here, for instance, I can see a natural circle shape here, there. So anything that's on the outside of this, I'm going to cut it off and then we're going to shape it into a lovely ball. So as I say, just take a look first and see where the natural shape of the bush is, the natural form. And then, so as I say, I can see it here. So all this up the top and the sides is going to go. So that's the way I tackle most plants and shrubs anyway. So guys, these will do well in pots or containers. If you're growing them in pots, just make sure they're well watered. They can also be used in soups and stews, and just to flavour your soup and whatever you're cooking it with, so it's a lovely fragrance off it as well. beech hedge is a deciduous hedge. In the next few weeks it's going to lose all its foliage. Come springtime, these beech hedges, they flush out new growth. That's the best time to cut them, after they flush out the new growth. Summertime, they'll have a second flush of new growth. You can give them a good trim then. As you can see with this hedge, it hasn't been cut now in a few years. So I'm just taking off all the new growth down to the old wood, tops and sides, so then it'll grow nice and be a nice form and a nice shape. This garden has 99 problems, but this beech ain't one. So I'll just swing it round and show you what we've done here today. So, lovely beech hedge we cut. So then we had this willow here. We shipped our bay tree. So we're picking out the ilex. Some of these wee plants and shrubs up. Now Neil's handiwork tidied up this wee bed. Had tidied up that rhododendron. So, hope you enjoyed the video, guys. So guys, our channel had 10,000 views in the last month, so numbers aren't adding up. I wasn't that great at maths at school, but I know the numbers aren't adding up. 404 subscribers, 10,000 views this month. Remember, if you're liking the content, give us a wee like, comment, share, subscribe. Do us a favour and help us build this channel. So guys, stay tuned for more content coming your way.